This is the Newgo foot and ankle ice pack. Plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis. I have Achilles injury, ankle sprain, foot swelling. Comes with a little bag, and bag is what you use. Freeze it in. I'm just using a clear kitchen bag, and I just pulled this out of the freezer. That's what it looks like. It's been in there. When you pull it out, you want to let it sit. It said, let it, I don't want to say thaw out. About, wait a minute. I don't want to say thaw out, but let it wait a minute so that it doesn't crack. I've been using it for a couple weeks. Don't see any cracks. So let's see how this goes on. You can see that it feels like solid. This is the bottom. So it's sort of a one-piece mold. This is real springy, so I found, I put it on. If I just hold this side here, come under, and it goes around, has to go around twice. Otherwise, that Velcro gets stuck everywhere. Same thing here. Straighten it out. Hold it around. Wrap it around. Let's try that again. Okay. Let's take a look at where the coldness is coming from. You have a good chunk of gel here. Not as much gel here. That would be the edge of the foot. No gel here, but you have it here in the arch. So below the toes, up here, it's not much. You've got good gel on the sides. You can see how thick it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sparser way up high, next to nothing. And you got a good pad right here in the back of gel. So it gets the ice right where I need it on the Achilles. Wish the straps were a little thicker or shorter, but it's the way it is. All right, leave it on there for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, it's still really cold. Went through the pain, to the hurt, to the numb stage, which means it's time to take it off.